y'all can get a little taste of the vibes out here.
And making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Oh, that's good. It's just you and me.
Welcome to Chaotic Gardening. I was sitting out here, taking in the sun, and fighting all this pollen. I should probably take an allergy medicine. I am gonna garden. It rained most of last night. So my plan is to just do chaotic gardening, which means put on gloves, bring my tools around, put on sunscreen and a hat, and go out there and garden wherever my little heart desires. And I'm gonna be taking you along and explain some things along the way. And sometimes chaotic gardening is finding an onion that is already growing, throwing some dirt on it. In the same pot, you've also planted some cilantro. Basically, a lot of trial and error. You know, nature already knows what it's doing. Hopefully, I'm helping it along. Okay, we're taking a little break, drinking some water, applying some bug spray because the gnats and the mosquitoes have already started in my area. Reapplying sunscreen because, you know, arrugas and skin cancer. What was I saying? Oh, I should show you the flowers. I want to show you the flowers that are blooming right now because they are chef's kiss. Well, I turned into a nature videographer for the last, I don't even know how long it's been. My goal is to grab these little new shoots of this grass and plant them alongside over there so that it looks kind of like this outline that makes the yard just feel really, I don't know, designed or intentional. So that's my goal, and I also plan to clean up any of the things that are growing because where I live you have to actively fight to kill things. I want to leave this pathway open because I want to do some sort of chaotic flower garden here. I also have to clean all this greenery. I don't even know what it is, but it just takes over. So you may not see it now, but this is gonna multiply.